Well, Coast Life, it's been a really fun week, and I feel like an exceptionally fun Friday hanging out with you, Emily.
It's been a pleasure, Leah.
Yes, but before we kind of wrap things up, we do have a little bit more Coast Life to get to. It's Friday, so we do have our trending tries. This is where usually Paige and I try to find something on the internet that's trending and see if it's worth the hack. So today, most of the time in your fridge, you tend to have some deli meat on hand, a tortilla or two. They're pretty much household staples.
Yeah. Cheese.
Yeah, cheese. Just something really easy, and maybe you want to just have a better way to heat it up, because sometimes, usually when I make like a microwave quesadilla, that's my sad quesadilla.
Yeah.
It's never like crispy.
Yeah.
It's always a little soggy.
Yeah, it's got to be in the frying pan.
Yes.
Yeah.
So, but sometimes you just don't feel like the effort, and so you kind of get,
Yeah.
you're like, who's winning today? The sad quesadilla or the full effort quesadilla? So this is sort of a happy medium, and something you could make in your office if you were so inclined. So we've got some turkey, we've got some cheese, and basically you're just going to put a couple pieces on your tortilla. Let's see if we can kind of assemble these. I tend to go thinner because what this is going to do is go in the toaster.
Oh, in the toaster oven.
No, the toaster.
Oh, really? You slide it down in the toaster.
In the toaster.
Oh, I am
as the rest
familiar
of
with
our
the
office may
microwave
be smelling
oven.
right now.
I know, deli madness. It's so funny because I grew up like in deli nation. My family loves deli, and in the last 2 years, I was like, you know what, like, let's do a little cholesterol challenge. Like, let's try to get that number down. It wasn't crazy high, but I was like, still, you know,
Sure.
I love a deli, I love a sub, I love a Wawa hoagie.
Yeah.
And I was like, let me stop the deli, and I did, and
How'd those numbers look?
yeah, those numbers really dropped. I was like, quitting the deli really made a difference, but I still love a deli every once in a while, especially if it's toasted.
As
Love
we
a
tell ourselves
BLT,
here on Coast Life, it's
avocado
all about
cheddar.
balance. You know?
I would definitely add a little avocado
would be
tomato
good.
too
Yeah.
for a little. I love a BLT turkey cheddar.
That would actually really level this up.
Yeah.
So then once you've kind of assembled your
We're gonna do a little more
Sammy,
turkey.
yeah, do a little more turkey, a little more cheese, however you like it. This is how you're going to kind of fold it up. And this is honestly how I've always, like when I was a kid, this is how I used to fold a burrito. You kind of go bottom first, and then you do this.
We need a little more meat.
Left, right, and I think you want to just kind of make sure that you're like one side overlaps the other like this,
Yeah,
because
I think I'd tuck it in.
I think if it's too open in the middle and you put it in the toaster, the cheese is gonna like ooze out. You know what I mean?
True. Yeah, and you can't make a mess in the toaster.
Don't want to make a
because
mess in the toaster.
That is not an easy thing to clean. I think mine actually
I think yours
went
looks good.
together
Yeah.
decent.
So then what you would do is
I never worked at Chipotle. So.
just I don't nope. And then you just pop this into your toaster. I don't really know how long I put it in the toaster for, really until a little smoke started coming out, and you're like, oh, could be done.
Oh, no.
So like a minute.
Yeah.
You put it in your toaster. This is your end result. So it's a
Oh
little
my gosh,
crispy.
just a light snack.
Yeah, just a little light snack. It's a little crispy, as if you had a pan. It's not soggy like the microwave. So let's give it a bite and see if it's
Really?
any good.
Oh my
yeah,
God.
dig in.
I'm nervous.
It does taste like I burnt it a little bit, but that's okay.
Tastes like my childhood. I was eating deli every
Right?
day.
But it's not bad. I think the slightly crisp, and that's on me. That's operator error, you know? But I think otherwise, for a quick little work
Yeah.
snack,
It needs a little crisp. And I like a little extra.
yeah. So give it a try. Maybe don't do a whole minute in the toaster. Maybe a little less.
Yeah.
Or maybe like spurts.
Yeah, I'm still hesitant about the toaster making a mess.
Toaster oven
But
might be better, but
people
we're
are
talking if
brave.
you're in a pinch, you know?
Yeah, true, in a pinch. I gotta bring a toaster to the office, get it approved.
Well, see, that's what we have in our office downstairs. And so, you know, if the smoke alarm goes off in the next couple minutes, you know why. It was us. But we'll finish these off.
A deli on brushed teeth. It hits so good. Yeah.
Give your trending tries, a try. And if you see any trends that you would like us to try for you, because maybe you're a little bit on the fence, we'll give it a shot and we'll let you know if it's any good. This one, I think it's a pass, It's not bad. It's not the best thing I've ever had, but it's not bad.
Love a Sammy when you need a Sammy.
Yes, but we know that this time of year is super busy in our area. We've got a few more events to talk about when Coast Life gets back, but we will take a quick break.